How to find and open games file on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find and open game files on iPhone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's begin. So if you want to find and open game files on your iPhone, the first thing that you'll need to do is locate your Files app. So this is what the Files app look like. So after you find it, you can then open it up. After you open it up, you can then see all the files that you have on your iPhone. So after you find that, you can then tap on the browse option. And after you're on the browse option, there you should see on my iPhone. Tap on my iPhone, and after you're on my iPhone, you'll then see all the files and folders related to you on your iPhone. So you'll need to keep in mind that not all games have files and folders that are saved in your files. So yeah, if you do want to check if the file for your game is available on your files app, you can simply come here and then check for it. And yeah, if you find it, great. If you don't find it, that means that your game setting does not allow you to save the files on the files app. And that's basically how you can find and open game files on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.